Hi, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors. In this YouTube video, I'm going to share with you how you can pull descriptive information out of text fields and make it meaningful if you've got lots of data sets that your user base can just type in information. In this case, I've got a FAA data set that gives me part failures, and here's a sample of it. It gives me the part, the plane type, lots of information, but my last column over here is where users can actually go in and type the notes about what happened. And in this case, what I want to do is mine that description field and figure out what's really going on with my planes. So I've already set up a process to go through, read the Excel, convert the data into a document format, go through and process the documents, create a word list, and then sort that word list to give me the information that I'm looking for. In this case, I'm only returning results where the word has more than 10 examples, and then resorting that to make sure I've got the examples with the highest count, and then outputting that to RapidMiner in my result set. So it's going to go through. This is my example set to begin with, and this is really what we're looking for. So initially, I've got gear. The word gear shows up in 26 of my examples, and overall I've got 99 examples in this data set. And then this is a stub for service, servicing, return, returning, perform, performing. So it's word stubs, but it tells me how many times they occur within the documents. That's probably incident, aircraft return, crack, landing gear. So in this very simple example, I was able to take 100 records and return it down and see what's going on really within my data set. There's other things I could do with this if I wanted to extend it and make it a more robust data set. I could look at my data set here, come in, look at the different planes. I could only look at certain planes and see what were the common words that show up under Boeing 737, for instance. I could also do it by part, right? Parts are pretty standard here. I could look at what are the common descriptions of events, the notes and the words that are showing up by different parts type, such as pan, door, frame, doors in there a few times, sensor. So lots of different ways to cut this data and easily take it from, in this case, there's thousands and thousands of records in the sample data set, to pull it out and really understand what's going on, what are the common words that I'm seeing in my data. In a business setting, it could be your call center, it could be claim information, you're looking for commonalities and part failures. What are those things that your user community is typing into your CRM, your ERP, description fields, that you want to mine that information and then make better decisions to improve your operations. And that's it for this episode. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Visit us at www.cdoadvisors.com. Thanks.